This how to 1 minute will show you how to add an author box below WordPress post. Follow this step-by-step guide to do it. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and search for the post where you want to add a author bio box. So I'm going to edit this post, and now I'm going to the bottom section, and here I'm clicking on add block and searching here post author. So you have to select post author. Now select the block and here click on author and select the author that you want to add, and you can enable show avatar from here, and you can change the avatar size. You can show bio from here. You can link author name to author page. Click on advanced. You can add some additional CSS here. And now select the styles option, and here you can change the typography, text size. You can add some padding from here. You can change text color. And then click on update, and this is how we can do it. And you can also change author bio box background by clicking on background and select the background color from here. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.